Good evening, students. Today I am going to teach you the very important topic, that is mean value theorems. Okay, this mean value theorems is very important topic for BE students, BTech students, as well as BSc students. Okay, first I will give the introduction of the mean value theorem, right? Listen properly. Okay, fine. Mean value theorems. Okay, in mean value theorems, there are mainly four important theorems. Those are very important, right? I'm writing here. Okay, fine. Number one, Rolle's theorem. Number two, Lagrange's mean value theorem. Third one, Cauchy's mean value theorem. And fourth one is Taylor's theorem. These four theorems are interlinked with each other, right? If you know very well about Rolle's theorem, so you can do the what Lagrange's mean value theorem. If you understand the Lagrange's mean value theorem, so you can do the Cauchy mean value theorem. If you know about these three properly, so you can do the what Taylor's theorem. Taylor's theorem is the extension part in the derivative. Those are which is totally depends on the Rolle's, Lagrange's and Cauchy mean value theorem. Okay, so first I will teach about Rolle's theorem. Okay, నేను ఇంతకుముందు మీకు స్టేట్ అండ్ ప్రూవ్ రోల్స్ థియరం చెప్పేసిన వీడియోలో ఉంది చూడండి. ఇప్పుడు రోల్స్ థియరం నేను మీకు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చెప్తాను, ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ చెప్తా. ఓకే, డెఫినేషన్ చెప్పి ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఇస్తా. ఓకే, మీకు థియరం కావాలి అంటే ఆల్రెడీ వీడియోలో ఉంది రోల్స్ థియరం, స్టేట్ అండ్ ప్రూవ్ రోల్స్ థియరం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చెప్పినా, మంచిగా చెప్పినా వినండి, చూడండి. ఓకేనా, చూసిన తర్వాత కామెంట్స్ పెట్టండి. ఓకేనా, ఫైన్. సో నౌ ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అబౌట్ Rolle's theorem. Statement with examples. Okay, fine. See you. First I will tell about Rolle's theorem, right? Okay. Rolle's theorem. Statement. A function f max from closed interval a comma b to r is bit number 1 continuous on closed interval a comma b. Second point, derivable on open interval a comma b. Third one, f of a is equal to f of b. Then there exists, the symbol is not there exists, there exists at least an element C belongs to closed interval a comma b such that, this is the symbol such that f dash of C is equal to 0. Okay, this is the statement of the which one? Rolle's theorem. When you are solving one problem, when you are verifying the Rolle's theorem by the help of an example, so first you have to prove these three conditions. Okay, if these three conditions are satisfied, then you are jumping to f dash of C is equal to 0 you have to take, and you have to show that an element C belongs to in between what? A and B. So total 4 conditions you have to verify here. If any one condition not satisfied, then it does not verify the what? Rolle's. It does not satisfy the Rolle's theorem. Understand? Okay, fine. I will give an example to you, right? Okay. Cut. Okay. Now I am giving one example to you, right? See you. Verify Rolle's theorem. F of x is equal to x cube minus 4x in closed interval minus 2 comma 2. Here minus 2 is the A and 2 is the what? B. Have you understand? Okay, fine. Solution. First you have to show 3 conditions. Okay. What is given? First one, continuous. Okay. What do you mean by continuous? See here. Very, very important. What do you mean by a continuous? Function is given x cube minus 4x. Is it? In place of x, when we are substituting minus 2 and 2, we have not to get infinity. What is that? Infinity नहीं आना. Okay. Or in between minus 2 to 2, or how many values are there? -1, 0, 1. वो भी अप्लाई करो. अप्लाई करे तो हमको क्या नहीं आना? इन्फिनिटी नहीं आना. क्या नहीं आना? इन्फिनिटी नहीं आना. If you are not getting infinity, then you have to tell that it is a continuous. Right? Fine. See here. Given f of x is equal to how much? X cube minus 4x. Right or not? Okay. At x is equal to minus 2, 2, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 1, the functional value on minus 2, 2. Have you understand? Right or not? Okay, fine. So you got f of x is a continuous. है ना? Apply these values. We are not getting infinity. Infinity कब आते हैं वो बोलो? When the function is a what? No, listen. When the function is given like this, x square minus x by 2x like this, or I'm writing here x cube minus x by 2x square. Is it or not? Then the function containing both what? Numerator as well as what? Denominator. Okay. Then somewhat difficult to find, it is a continuous. It is a continuous because when you are applying these values, we may get what? Infinity. In some points. X is equal to how many points are there? Minus 2, 2, minus 1, 0, 1. At any point, if you are not getting infinity, then you have to tell that it is a what? Continuous. Understand or not? Okay, fine. Then next what you have to find? Derivable. What is that? Derivable. Again, f of x is equal to what is that? X cube minus 4x. We have to find the derivative. What do you have to find? Derivative. F dash of x is equal to how much? What is the derivative of x cube? 3x square. Derivative of 4x, 4. Right? Again here, x value you have to substitute how much? Same like this one. Minus 2, 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Right or not? So apply here. If you are not getting infinity, then you have to tell that it is a what? Differentiable. Divisible. What is that? Divisible. Okay. This also is not an infinity. Yes. Divisible is also not getting infinity. If you are not getting infinity, again it is a what? Divisible. Right or not? So, therefore, f of x is a divisible on. But remember here, you are taking open interval. Open interval means minus 2 and 2 को छोड़ देना, ये दोनों को नहीं लेना. क्या क्या लेना है? हाँ, यस. ये तीनों वैल्यू यहाँ पे अप्लाई करो. We have not to get what? Infinity. Understand or not? Okay, fine. So f of x is what? Derivable on minus 2, 2. Second point भी हो गया. Next what? Third point. Okay. A means how much? Minus 2. B means how much? 2. F of x is equal to what is that? X cube minus 4x. I will find f of minus 2. है ना? x के प्लस में कितना लिखना है? minus 2 है. So minus 2 whole cube minus 4 into minus 2. How much you are getting? Minus 8. Yes. Plus 8 is equal to how much? 0. And f of 2 also you have to find like that. 2 means what? B. Then a is equal to minus 2. Here b is equal to 2. Have you understand? Fine. So tell me 2 cube minus 4 into 2. That is equal to 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Yes, both are same values you got. Got or not? This implies what you got. F of minus 2 is equal to what is that? F of 2. 3 conditions satisfies. Satisfies or not? Right. The last condition. Now to find the C value. What do you have to find? C value. How's that? What you have to take? Since f dash of C is equal to what is that? 0 you have to take. Understand or not? Fourth condition. Right or not? Okay, fine. This implies, see here, f dash of x is equal to how much? 3x square minus 4. Instead of x, what I have taken? C. So tell me. So what you have to write this one? 3 minus 2. No. 3c². Instead of x, I am taking what? C. -4 is equal to how much? 0. Okay, this implies 3c² is equal to how much? 4. This implies c² is equal to 4/3. Right? Fine. This implies c is equal to plus or minus under root. What is that? 4/3. C is equal to how much you got? Plus or minus under root 4/3. Under root 4/3 is nothing but 1.15. Okay. So C value exists. How many values? 2 values. One plus 1.15, another minus 1.15. Remember one point I am telling to you. Out of this plus or minus, if any one value exists in between what and what? -2 to 2. -2 to 2. Then condition satisfied. Condition satisfied. So यहाँ पे देखो C is equal to -1.15. Is it belongs to -2 to 2 or not? चेक करो. ये -1.15 ये दोनों के बीच में रहता है नहीं रहता? कंपल्सरी रहता, क्योंकि ये -2 है. Is it or not? 5 belongs to, and C is equal to 1.15 is also belongs to what? -2 to 2.
Sir, minus C is equal to minus.
Huh?
Minus.
हाँ.
Minus 1.15.
हाँ. Have you understood or not? Two values are exist. If any one value exists, okay. That or not? So you got, therefore f of x is equal to x cube minus 4x. Verify the, satisfy the what? Rolle's theorem. Have you understand? Hence proved. Have you understand? So Rolle's theorem is verified. So याद रखो, हर एक प्रॉब्लम यही प्रोसीजर में प्रूव करना पड़ता, यही प्रोसीजर में प्रूव करना पड़ता. ओके, कुछ भी डाउट्स होता तो जस्ट गिव द वन कमेंट टू मी. ओके, आई विल सॉल्व योर प्रॉब्लम्स. राइट.